Hello everyone, my name is Chandan Singh and welcome to my channel. So guys, today we will see phrasal verb episode number 2. So let's take a look everyone. So guys, here the phrasal verb is put up with. Okay. So when will you use put up with? Let me tell you. Put up with means tolerate or endure. I mean to say, suppose you are married, okay, and your partner has very surly mood, the attitude is very bad, very short tempered, and it has been for a long time, okay, but you can't do anything, you are helpless, you are tolerating that, you have to tolerate that, you have to face that and tolerate. You can't get over it, you can't do anything in order to get rid of it. So you have been tolerating for a long time. So that time you can say that I am putting up with the surly mood, the bad temper of my partner. So put up with means tolerate, especially the unpleasant thing. Just take a look here. If you put up with something, you tolerate or accept it even though you find it unpleasant or unsatisfactory. The behavior of your partner is not good, it is unsatisfactory. However, you have to accept it. You can't do anything. So if you accept any unpleasant thing, any unpleasant even person, then you can say that I am putting up with that person or I am putting up with that thing. Got it? To accept someone or something unpleasant in a patient way. You have to be patient. You are accepting it. You are tolerating it. It means you are putting up with either that person or the thing. Let's see some examples, guys. I will not put up with your bad behavior any longer. Okay, one person is saying that, see, now I can't put up with your bad behavior. It means now I can't tolerate whatever you are doing. The way you behave cannot be tolerated now. So now I can't put up with your bad behavior. Next. Now I can't put up with her tantrums. Tantrums means, kind of attitude the person shows, that is called tantrum. Oh, I don't like that, I will do that, I can't do that. These are tantrums. So the person is saying that now I can't put up with her tantrums. It means there is a lady or a girl and she has some tantrums. The person is saying that it's been over, now I can't tolerate her tantrums. Okay, now it's over. Then you can say I can't put up with her tantrums. Got it? You are bound to put up with his surly mood. Somebody is saying that, see, you don't have any option, buddy. You can't do anything. You are bound. It means you are forced. You are bound. You are helpless. So you are bound to put up with his surly mood. It means there is a man and he has very surly mood, very bad behavior, but you can't do anything. You have to put up with that person's surly mood. Next. How can you put up with such a moron? If there is a person, a kind of nuts, mad type of person, then somebody is asking a question that, come on, buddy, you have been living with this guy, you have been putting up with this moron. How can you put up with such a moron? So this is put up with. Means how can you accept him? How can you tolerate? I have been putting up with her stupidity ever since I got married. One person is saying that, since I got married, so since then till now I have been putting up with her stupidity. It means I have been accepting it. I have been tolerating the stupidity. So got it? So put up with means to tolerate, endure. Mostly you can say, see, now I can't put up with your behavior anymore. So put up with is a very nice phrasal verb. I believe you must have understood. So please take the screenshot of this, guys. Thank you. Okay, so this is all about this video. Thank you very much for being connected. Stay connected and keep supporting. Thank you, guys.